Hey, it's Dr. Bob at New Life Counseling Center, and very often my clients ask about good books to read. I have one here that is highly specific. It is definitely for women only, and it is only for women who have suffered the pain of infidelity. It's written by Fred and Brenda Stoeker. It's called Every Heart Restored. We'll put an image of that up on the screen. Every Heart Restored. I can't claim to understand what it's like, what it's really like to be a woman. I have suffered infidelity before. I know what it's like as a man. I'm not positive that I understand it as a woman. And here, this husband-wife team has written this book. Many times, women who come to me who have suffered this terrible pain and injustice have found great comfort in this book, Every Heart Restored. It's written by Christians, and it definitely has the power to help you to know you're not alone, the ability to read this book and recognize that the authors themselves have gone through this, and many practical things that you can focus on, and perhaps different ways that you can look at it. And anyway, I just wanted to share that recommendation. And women, if you have suffered this, or if you've read this book, what has your experience been? Let us know.